At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a CNC computer numerical control machine business can be a rewarding venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here are 10 tips to help you get started. 1. Industry research. Understand the CNC machining industry, its trends, and potential niches. Identify target markets and industries that require CNC services. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, financial projections, and marketing strategy. Include details about your CNC machine capabilities, such as the types of materials you can work with and the precision you can achieve. 3. Invest in quality equipment. Invest in high-quality CNC machines that suit the type of work you plan to undertake. Stay updated with the latest technology to remain competitive in the market. 4. Skills and training. Ensure that you and your team have the necessary skills and training to operate CNC machines efficiently and safely. Stay informed about advancements in CNC programming and machining techniques. 5. Legal compliance. Understand and comply with local regulations, licenses, and permits required for operating a CNC machining business. Implement safety measures to adhere to occupational health and safety standards. 6. Quality control. Establish a robust quality control system to ensure precision and consistency in your CNC machining processes. Regularly inspect and maintain your machines to prevent errors and downtime. 7. Networking. Build a strong network within the manufacturing industry, attend trade shows, and join relevant associations. Establish partnerships with suppliers, manufacturers, and potential clients. 8. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong online presence with a professional website showcasing your capabilities. Utilize digital marketing strategies, such as SEO and social media, to reach potential clients. 9. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Address customer concerns promptly and work towards building long-term relationships. 10. Financial management. Keep a close eye on your finances, including cash flow, expenses, and profits. Consider offering flexible payment terms to attract and retain clients. Starting a CNC machine business requires a combination of technical expertise, business acumen, and effective management. By carefully planning and implementing these tips, you can increase your chances of success in the CNC machining industry. That concludes the video. Now it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content.